Today's wine text is the Ideology Reserve 2014 Napa Valley Cabernet, coming from the Knoll district. So there's a lot going on in this wine. I know we did a couple of the Ideology wines before, but this is by far their top bottling. This is the most expensive wine they sell, and the one that they put in the most work to make into a premium wine. There's only about 200 cases of this wine produced in total, and it's 100% Cabernet made from their estate fruit. So if you remember, I kind of explained a little bit. I want to get a little bit more detail of what the vineyards are like. So the vineyards are actually at the base of the Mayacamas Mountain Range, and it actually butts up against Dry Creek. And if you're familiar with Napa Valley and Sonoma, Dry Creek is one of the most sought after areas for vineyard-specific wines. What makes this place more unique and special compared to other areas within Napa Valley is the soil itself is alluvial. So what that basically means is that the soil is very porous, because back in the day, in sandy and gravelly, there used to be a river that flowed through here, which causes this kind of soil that is able to kind of take care of itself, be able to drain itself, and not have any kind of outside influence, which makes the wine very true to itself. All the grapes going into this is hand-picked, hand-sorted, and they take nothing but the best that goes into this wine. It does spend a decent amount of time in oak, about 20 to 24 months, in a different kind of assortment of French barrels, whether it's lightly used or actually brand new barrels. So there definitely is an influence here. You're going to get a little bit of that kind of vanilla, that baking spicing that backs up that dark plum, blackberry, dark cherry notes that come into this wine. It is 2014, going on about 6 years, but I still think this is a style of wine just because of the way they make it and how concentrated it is. This is a Napa Valley wine for the ages. This is a kind of wine that'll age perfectly for the next 15, 20 years without even trying. By far, one of the most premium wines we've done so far. But going into the next couple months, I know a lot of people kind of step outside their price point and get to the next, the higher up wines, just due to the fact there's gifts to be given out. You want that special bottle for Thanksgiving dinner. This is going to be one of the most premium wines we do all year. So the opportunity to grab this at the price we're doing it at, which if I remember correctly, is almost, it's half what the SRP on this wine is. It's an absolute steal, and I think it's something that you can either give away or drink yourself. Definitely decant it before drinking. If you're going to open it now, at least a half hour. I even think maybe an hour or more is probably better. But like I said, this is a wine for the ages. You can age for a long time. So cool wine. Again, 200 cases produced, really small production. Bringing it to you guys. Enjoy.